In this video, I will be reviewing and discussing Qustodio versus Aura. So let's get started. If you're deciding between Qustodio and Aura, you're probably looking for serious protection, but you're not sure which one actually fits your needs. So here's the thing, these two aren't built exactly the same. One focuses heavily on parental controls, the other combines parental controls with identity theft and cybersecurity tools. So let's break it down clearly so you can choose the right one. So let's start with the similarities, and the first one that I have for you guys is parental controls. Both Qustodio and Aura offer parental control features. You get screen time limits, website filtering, and app management tools with both. So if your main goal is basic child device monitoring, either option covers the essentials. Next, we have multi-device coverage. Both work across major platforms like Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. That means you're not locked into one ecosystem. Whether your child uses a laptop, tablet, or phone, both services can protect them. And lastly, we have dashboard alerts. Both platforms provide a parent dashboard with activity reports and alerts. You can monitor usage and receive notifications when something important happens. However, the depth and focus of those alerts differ, which brings us to the key differences. So, let's get started with the differences. And the first one that we have is their focus. Parental control versus full security. Now, this is the biggest difference. Qustodio is purely focused on parent control. It's built specifically to manage your child's screen time, apps, and online activity. Aura, on the other hand, is a fully digital security side. It includes identity theft protection, credit monitoring, VPN services, antivirus, and fraud alerts, in addition to parental controls. So Qustodio is equivalent to child focused monitoring, while Aura is equal to family cybersecurity plus identity protection. So if you only care about managing your child's device, Qustodio is more specialized, and if you want broader family protection beyond just parenting tools, Aura offers more overall coverage. Now let's move on to the next difference, and that is the screen time and app blocking strength. Qustodio generally gives more detailed screen time controls. You get daily time limits, app specific blocking, detailed usage reports, location tracking. Aura includes parental controls, but they're not as advanced or granular as Qstudio's. So for strict device management, Qustodio is usually has the edge. Lastly, we have identity and fraud protection. Now, this is where Aura clearly wins. Aura includes identity theft monitoring, credit monitoring, fraud alerts, VPN, antivirus protection. Qustodio does not offer identity or financial protection tools. It's not designed for that. So if protecting your family's personal data and finances is important, Aura brings much more to the table. So here's how to decide. This is the final verdict. So if your goal is strong parental control and screen time management, Qustodio is usually the better choice. If you want all-in-one family protection, including identity theft monitoring, cybersecurity tools, and parental controls in one subscription, Aura makes more sense. So it really comes down to this. Do you want a focused parenting tool or a broader digital security package for the whole family? That's what should guide your decision between Qustodio and Aura. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.